All right, this is actually pretty cool. Let's take a look at what KoalaLinks is. This just released today. This is where you can build internal links 100 times faster. Now, Koalawriter has been out for a few years now, and it has been over the last year or two my #1 rated AI writing tool for many reasons. You can go watch. I've made many videos about it explaining why it's my favorite. It's just a combination of the price, the quality, the simplicity, all those things come into play. They have been adding more products in here. We have Koala images, Koala magnets, all kinds of good stuff here. Mostly I use it for just the Koalawriter. They have the Koala chat right here as well. And technically speaking, sometimes I get this question. You could get a Koala account. It can be a monthly paid account or an annually paid account, or I'm not sure if they are actually offering single plans where you just buy credits. So they have annual and monthly right here. Sometimes they come out with just like a credit pack, and they usually do this during like Black Friday or something, where you can actually just buy credits. I'm not seeing that credit pack right now, but you can look for those plans when they come out, and you can use most of their tools, but this KoalaLinks is going to stand on its own, like a separate tool. I like how they built it inside of the tool, but you will have to pay extra to use this. They have pricing right over here. Starts at $49 to continuously analyze 500 pages per month. And then you have your boost package. So this is going to just be determined on how many pages you have. And you can have as many sites as you want, but it just depends on how many pages you have. As you can see, it starts getting pretty pricey. These lower prices make sense to me. But once you're starting to manage, this is really just managing a ton of sites right here. You could be paying up to $2,000 per month, which is crazy, but it starts at $49 a month. So we can go look at a demo site and everything, but I wanted to go back over here, how I got the announcement. This is on my email right over here. So it says, we've got big updates for you today, including the launch of KoalaLinks. I'll just zoom in so we can read it a little bit better. We've also just launched KoalaLinks on Product Hunt. So we'd appreciate if you could go and take a few minutes to go and comment and upvote if you like to support Koala. So you have automatic on-page optimization. So KoalaLinks is an on-page optimization tool that automatically adds internal links, related posts, and entity schema markup to your site. These elements are crucial for visitor engagement and SEO. So let KoalaLinks take care of that for you. An A/B test we are running on a site right now shows that using KoalaLinks is boosting engagement by 36% and total page views by 8.5%. So stay tuned for that. We'll publish the full case study in a few weeks. So here's how it works. Add your site to KoalaLinks. That takes 2 minutes. Let KoalaLinks analyze your pages, usually less than 15 minutes. Add a simple script tag to your site. That takes 2 minutes. I think it's just a JavaScript you just add to your site. Wait as KoalaLinks automatically enhances your pages with internal links, related posts, and schema. Optional, enable autopilot, so new pages are automatically analyzed and optimized. So this is like a dream come true type of internal links management tool and automation tool. The only one that's really come out that's hit it big time that everybody in the industry knows about is Link Whisper. That's been out for years as well, and that's by Niche Pursuits creator, and that one has been a pretty good tool, right? Everybody knows that tool. I'm subscribed to the tool. I'm an affiliate for the tool and everything. But there's been other tools that have come out that have tried to come up with a solution. There's a lot of high quality AI writing tools allow you to add your sitemap, and then it will try to add internal links to articles and stuff. But this is taking it to another level and just completely adding code to your website and completely understanding your website, and then automatically being able to, on autopilot, add these links in a sophisticated way, in a very relevant way. And then also it will actually, if you update your site, or it will also go back and continue to check out your pages so it can continue to add links when necessary. So the whole thing can be done on autopilot. And so this is probably the best solution or alternative to Link Whisper that I've seen so far. So this is going to be cool to take a look at. So they also have an internal linking API, which is exciting for developers. You could actually use this, technically speaking, for web development and so forth. So pretty cool stuff. Let's go look at what they have going on Product Hunt, where they launched as well. So like I said, it's KoalaLinks automate internal linking and schema markup. This is separate, right? It's like a standalone tool. Yes, you access it inside of KoalaLinks, or sorry, inside of Koala.sh, so Koalawriter. So you can access it within your regular dashboard, but it is a standalone tool tool. That's why they're launching it separately over here. So and go take a look at just what some of these pages look like, and we'll go and see if we can put this tool to the test. I'll see if I can get as far as I can get without having to pay for it. We'll see what ends up happening. I might end up just paying for it, which I end up doing that quite often on this channel so that you don't have to, so that I can actually show you what the tool looks like, and then you can make informed decisions if it's right for you or not. And then they go into it in detail right over here, just talk about it a little bit more. You're welcome to go and read that. I did find it interesting down here where someone said, after trying it on our domain, I came up with a suggestion. It would be great to have some options for the script. For example, we're okay with adding both related links and schema markup to our blog, but we don't want to add a bunch of links on our landing pages. We only want to add schema, which kind of makes sense, right? On landing pages and so forth, maybe you don't want internal links and stuff like that. Connor did get back and say it is possible, but requires tweaking to configure. He did leave a link that actually shows you how to completely tweak this and make it fit your needs. And then they also offer, hey, just reach out to us and we'll actually assist you. So the customer support is there. It's really good. It's one thing that I like about this, even from an affiliate standpoint. When I've reached out to them for things, they've gotten back to me very quickly. And I haven't really ever had to have like support with them, but you can see right over here, we have the founder. This is a big company because when you reach out, they actually have affiliate management team. They have they have support teams and so forth. And so this is actually a really big scaled out tool with multiple employees. And you're right over here, and the owner of the company is answering questions like this. So that's really cool to see that. It tells me too that Connor is involved with the tool and the development of the tool and so forth. And he stands by his tools, and he's very proud to jump on in here. And so this person actually says, thanks for sharing the details. I think that I'll be able to configure based on our needs. So pretty cool stuff. So let's go take a look. And I wanted to go and look at a demo site. They have this little button here. We can go take a look at what it looks like on a site. Let's zoom in real quick so we can take a look. So you can see this site is used to demo KoalaLinks right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through immunity, blah, blah, blah. And then you have green juice, and you can see everything. Just look down here to the lower left. You'll see the link. That is an internal link to foodfaq.org. And that's right up here, foodfaq.org. So this is how the internal links work. It actually added green juice recipes right here to the keyword green juice. The immunity boosting right here, green juice. And then it has amazing green juice recipe to boost your immune system. So it's actually two different articles that have to do with green juice right there. Combines powerful ingredients. We have some bolding going on and so forth. And then leafy greens right here. And then it's talking about the green detox celery juice with kale. So there's three internal links right there. Boom. I don't know if we can control like, hey, I only want 10 or less links at all times on a page, or if I want 15 or what. I don't know if we can control that or not. Like how aggressive the links will be. We just keep scrolling through here, and let's see, we got one right over here. And so I've gone through this. I've counted about 8 or so just right here. And then there's this related content right here. Amazing green juice recipe. It's going to give another one to this amazing green juice recipe to boost your immune system. Has a related link right there. Then we have more blog posts right over here. So then you can see there's one, then we'll come down here, and then there's 2, 3, 4 links, and then a related post right there. And then there's another one down here. Where is it? Where it looks like this related post at the very end of this. And I don't know where this part right here ends up showing, but there's 5 related posts right there as well. So that is what it's going to be able to do for us. So this is what the page looks like when you click on KoalaLinks. It's going to just give you all the use cases, all the benefits, obviously, get link suggestions. After we index your site, it only takes a few minutes. You can provide a text or a URL and get high quality internal link suggestions in seconds. Add internal links on autopilot. Simply enable autopilot, and KoalaLinks will automatically add internal links and schema when new pages are published. I really like that. And because I gotta be honest right here, if this solves this problem, one of the things about Link Whisperer, for example, is I feel like it doesn't seem like it does it on autopilot. So you end up having to go in there for every page and start adding links and so forth. It's just not, they might have come out with some type of autopilot tool lately. I haven't had a chance to take a look at it and review it, but that is something that really has not just been solved, right? Is intelligently linked to your website and providing relevant internal links to all of your pages on your sites, which is super, super cool. So you can add thousands of internal links in one click and all the good stuff. Boost in SEO, increase page views, save time and money, unlimited scale, can handle any size of a website, battle tested, and then there's your pricing right over there. So once you click the get started now, I had one website in here, LearnWire Pro, obviously. It says your site was, and this was very fast. It was all like it was already connected because it was instant. It said your site is successfully added and 86 pages were indexed. Here are the next steps. So analyze pages. Analyze a page will create internal links, related posts, and schema for that page. Click a button or click a page in the table below and then click analyze this page to analyze a single page. To automatically analyze all pages, click bulk analyze, and analyzing a page uses 2 credits. So add code snippet. So to automatically insert internal links, so you need to add the code snippet. That's what you're going to have to actually put that on your site. It will automatically insert internal links, related posts, and schema for all analyzed pages. Click snippet and then add the code snippet to your site. Enable autopilot option. So this is the autopilot option. Enabling autopilot will automatically analyze new pages that get added to your site. Obviously, would be the big time, right? Where we publish new articles and not have to worry about this. That would be really cool. So tip, after a page is analyzed, you can review and edit the links by clicking on a page in the table below. So let's just go and let's say 30 best AI copywriters right over here. No, that one's from 2023. It's an old article. Let's just go with this one right over here. So I'm going to click on it. And then it has our page right here. It's not analyzed. Internal links we don't have. Related posts, and then the schema markup. It's not done yet. So we're going to push this analyze button right here. So let's try this again. I think I was actually logged out. I had saved that page over here, but then I had to go and log back in. So let's go find one. We'll just do add alchemy right here. We'll click this one and then we will go and click the analyze page. And now it's analyzing. I got it, wasn't able to analyze error. That's because I wasn't logged in. So now it's analyzing. Okay, so it says it is done. So it says analyze just now. So I'm not really sure what we do. So let's just click on this button again and see what ends up pulling up. All right, so it says internal links, SEMrush right here. So now I'm not sure where it's going to put this internal link, but it's saying that it finds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's nice and modest, just 5 links. I'm not seeing anywhere where we can control that. Let's say your site, you create 3,000 word blog posts. I would say you would definitely want to add more than 5 internal links. I don't know if this is just an algorithm that, depending on how many relevant pages or articles that it can find versus how long your article is. I'm not really sure. I didn't see any data about how it does it, but all we can do is just analyze more to see if we can do this. All right. So we analyze this. It says that there's 5 that it can add. We can go and add this Google Ads. Okay. So this looks like the keyword that it's going to add. Google Ads Management and Go High Level Review, Keyword Research, Keyword Discovery Review. So it's pretty good. Like that one right there, Keyword Research and Keyword Discovery, that's great. But Google Ads Management and then Go High Level, I don't think those two go together. So that one I would say is not perfect. SEMrush and then SEMrush Review, that's fine. And then Content Quality, Content AI Review, that one's fine. Technical SEO Elements, SEO Crawl is a technical SEO, so that would be great as well. Then you have your related posts right here, and I'm not sure what these scores are, but related posts, just how related it is. Or over here talking about an ad alchemy review, and then it's doing doc out. It's just adding some more related posts right there. And then here is okay, so you can actually say see more. You can see some more over here. See like one is messed up, or I have a URL that's off right there, or a slug that's off. And then entity schema markup right here. We can hover over this help icon and it will tell you improve SEO with entity-based schema markup, leveraging AI and a database of over 35 million entities. Our system automatically generates schema for your pages. This can help search engines better understand your content and improve your search rankings. When using our code snippet on your site, the schema will be automatically added to the page. After generating the schema, it can be edited below. If you wish to remove it, then simply so. This would be on a case-by-case, page-by-page basis. Obviously, we can turn autopilot on, and then we can put one big code on our site, and then I believe it will automatically do all this for us, which is pretty cool. So we analyzed the page. That's great and all, but I don't know how to next actually implement this, right? All right, so there's some settings over here. There's some basic settings, and then there's actually an editor where you can actually go and try to train it to do better. And then there's an API right there, and then there's a code snippet right here. So it says add this code to your site to automatically insert internal links, related posts, and schema for all analyzed pages. So you do have to do this part right here. I'm going to go and do this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I figured I should just show you how to do this. It also says for WordPress sites, you can install the free WP code plugin, then go to header footer settings, paste the code into the header section, click save right here. If the links or related posts are not being inserted, please contact blah, blah, blah. So it would be like this. We would copy this page and then we would go into our site over here. I'm using code snippets and then I'm going to go to header footer right here. And then here's like my Google tag. I'm going to go ahead and push return here and then Control V, paste that in and then push save changes. So we've easily added it into our header. And then now we can go back over here and it says that it will automatically add this code to your website to automatically insert internal links in the code for all analyzed pages. So it will take some time for it to automatically add to our site. Now, I wasn't asked to pay any extra money. I believe that's just credits. So the pricing that we went over earlier was basically if you were only using KoalaLinks, you could pay for those credits, I believe. But right now, because we are on a pricing plan, you can see right over here that we're on a professional plan right here. We get credits. And so this must be something that we get to use these credits with. This is what I'm thinking, because it's not asking me to use any money right now. We can easily come in here. It's analyzed these pages. So what we could do is let's just go and we may as well just do the entire site so I can show you what the bulk looks like as well. We have this right here. Autopilot will automatically analyze new pages. So let's go ahead and go like this. Enable autopilot recommended. Enabling this will automatically analyze new pages on your site within 1 day of being added to your sitemap. Do you want to proceed? Note this will use 2 Koala credits per page and will only take effect for new pages. Sure, why not? Enable. So we enabled autopilot. This is just taking credits from what I've already bought, right? I bought like 1.2 million credits for the year. And so this is just a credit-based system. I like that. And then we can just say bulk analyze. It's going to say skip 1 pages that have already been analyzed. You're about to analyze 85 pages. This action will use 170 credits from your account. You have 11,998 credits remaining. Okay. Do you want to proceed? Analyze. So now it's going to go and analyze all of these pages. I'm not sure if this one right here, let's go and take a look at Add Alchemy. We can click on that and we can go and see. I'm not sure if there's some type of update right here that will actually tell us that the page has been updated, but we can go and look and see. Let's just go and look and see if this right here has been added. So we'll go and just click on the link real quick. And then we can go and you can see it's clearly right there. It's already done. Look at this, guys. This is really neat. We've got our table of contents, but we have Add Alchemy, Streamlines, Google Ads, AI Assistance, and SEMrush data. And you can see in the lower left-hand corner on the page, SEMrush review is right there. Related, we have our related AI Deli AI review right here, taking people to the AI Deli. So it's going to add this related to there. There's nothing wrong with that. We have our Google Ads Management, and we can come over here and look. Google Ads Management is right there. It is the Go High Level review. I'm not really sure how those are related, but that one is the only one that's a little bit questionable. But then we have this keyword research, lower left-hand corner, keyword discovery review. You have keyword discovery review right there. And then you have another related content right here. And we had our pricing table right here. And then we can keep scrolling down, another related right there. This is how most big sites are done, right? There's links everywhere. There's never really a dull moment when you're reading content on other big websites where there's like hundreds of links to click on big websites. And so content quality, we come over here, content quality is content AI review. And then we have hover over this content AI review. And then we have technical SEO elements, SEO crawl, technical elements, SEO crawl. So then there should be a related posts section down here, which is AI Deli, Content AI, Doc Analyzer, And so all these related posts are sprinkled. There's 5 related posts sprinkled out throughout the article. And then there's a summary of all of them right at the bottom as well. So there's like a ton of chances for people to click. I would say if you count the related posts right here, we also have similar posts down here. I'm not sure. You could maybe remove this, or you can adjust the schema to not include this related post section right there as well. But if you count those 5, and then you count these 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it added 10 total links to the page, which I agree with that. That's what I believe. It might even be John Dykstra, who is one of the big name people that uses Koalawriter in their business, and they have been coined in the industry as an internal links expert. They said between 10 and 20 links the last time I watched them on a podcast. So 10 is totally fine. Let's go see if we can go and look at another one that might be analyzed. Let's go and refresh this page and see if there's any other ones that are analyzed. Oh, wow, that's fast. They're all analyzed. So let's go maybe to this one right over here and then just go and click on it. So here's the links. We'll go click on one more article and then I'll wrap this review up, guys. So we can come through here, top recommended, boom. This one's kind of ugly. I don't know. Oh, this is an old post where I have all these links I need to remove from my description. But we do have these related posts right here that were added. Yeah, so this one actually post needs to be taken down. I'll need to clean that one up. Let's go to another one. Maybe we'll go to this one right over here. We'll click on it. And then we have browsing experience, and we have browsing experience, hypertext review, and then we'll keep scrolling down. So then there's the related content. So this is actually mind blowing that it was able to do all this. There's LearnWire right there, sending people to the LearnWire article right there, related posts. This is actually really brilliant, guys. What do you guys think? If you made it and watched the entire review, let me know that you watched the entire thing. And then also tell me if your mind is blown or not. This is the easiest, straight up easiest solution that I've seen for adding sophisticated internal links to an entire website within a couple of clicks. This is absolutely game-changing for SEO. What do you guys think? There'll be a link below to go pick up Koalawriter and KoalaLinks. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.